Alright, delivering the Cotton Yonders to our opponents for the meetup and team up. He is also a fellow content creator, so follow Frederick Cortez for the meetup and team up, brother.
Wow, thank you.
Ayan.
Thank
Okay.
you, Luigi, and thank you to Cotton Yonder.
Alright, brother. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good luck sa atin. Halaman namin humabol. Alright, so meet up and team up. Game 4 actually. So playing with my partner, si Doy, against the Cortez brothers. Ayan, so currently, kaming dalawa ni Doy, brother, we need to win this. Kang streak namin ni Doy as teammates, ilan na? 0-8? 0-7. 0-7 na kami. Hopefully this round, 1-3. Sa Luis. Isa.
Rason.
Isa. Tapos meron din.
Gabi.
Isa pa.
Meron
So 5 na. May dalawa pa. Oh, alam kong alam.
Except naman pala sa amin, ang lalakas ng kalaban nyo.
Hindi. Okay. So susubukan namin tanggalin ang sumpa ni Doy, ang game brother. Okay, starting this match play. 2v2. Here in hole number 1. Good luck, brother. Good luck.
Play well,
Good luck. Alright. And ang aking caddy, si Ricky Boy. Tapos kasama namin si Jong, si Mr. Nice Shot. Shot. Hindi nag-draw.
Alright! Alright!
Okay. For first hole, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Mine went right. First swing of the day. Malayo pa. Almost 300 yards. So just playing smart with a 7 iron ako. Ganda, brother! Nice shot! Nice shot! Okay. Okay, Drew and Fred. Second shot. They're taking Drew's tee shot. Kaliwa lang. Good shot. Kala ko you will attempt.
Wala, hindi ako safe eh.
Shout out naman sa'yo, Dodong.
Shout out, sir.
Ready ka naman sumagot sa mga tanong? Wala pa. Nanahimik ulit. Okay, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Second shot. We're left with 140 yards to the flag. Hitting my pitching wedge. Kaliwa lang. Kick right. Kick right. Okay lang. Right before the green. Pang Olympics.
Nice shot. Bagsak mo. Keep right. Okay. On green tayo, sir.
Cortez brothers. Their third shot. They are using Andrew's tee shot. Second shot. They're left with around 80 yards to the flag. Little left lang si Fred. Okay lang yan, babait yan. Itsura pa lang. Tunog pa lang, babait. Mukhang maagang 1-up ah. Good shot, brother. Okay, I think this is Doy's hole. Sa kanya ulit ang gagamitin namin. Mine went over. So around 19 yards to the flag. So may Olympics na pala kami. 20 pesos per point. So left to right. Ganda yan, Doy. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Nice shot, brother. Nice shot. Ay, nabola. Bye.
Uy, hindi ka na. Sayang.
Okay, the Fred and Andrew to win, to go 1-up for birdie and potentially 3 points. Pating ball na. Mahina.
Nice shot.
Feeling ko, Drew, mas mahina pa dapat dun.
Nice shot.
Okay, Fred and Andrew potentially for par and for 2 points. Uy. Good putt. Okay, good par. Okay, we have this putt to half the hole. We're giving it left to right for 1 point. So 2 points na kayo. Left edge lang.
Uy, bumali naman! Bumali sa'yo!
Okay, what a bad start. I choked. Wala akong ginamit na tira sa butas na yun for mine. Okay, so ang ganda ng tira ni Fred. Already hit his tee shot just right of the fairway. Very good angle for their second shot. So currently, hole number 2, we are now down 1, pati sa points. Cortez Brothers up by 2.
Okay. Dang, yun din, solid din oh.
Nice.
Good shot, brother. Turn pa. Wala pang ginagamit sa 7 tira, wala pang ginagamit sa akin.
Wow. Ay,
Nice shot.
diretso, yun, nag-fade.
Lagi na ako nag-gun.
Parting kalawa.
Ang ganda tayo.
Hindi ko nakuha yung swing ni Fred, but he's safe right before the water for their second shot. Kami, we're taking my tee shot. Finally, may na-contribute na ako, pero a little left. So we need to slightly draw the golf ball kasi the pin is behind this tree. Kasi ito kami. So we need to draw the golf ball right to left. So Andrew, papanik ka agad ah.
Hindi, akala ko.
Kala mo iabot ko na. Uy, kumanan yata. Okay. Ay, okay lang. Maaga lang nag-draw. Ricky boy.
Itrombo. Dumiretso, sir.
Sayang. That was where I was aiming talaga. Little right of the green. Wanting to draw. Hindi nag-draw yung ball at all. Pero went a little over. 28 yards, brother. 28 yards to the flag. Right to left. Ganda yan. Ay, Olympia. Ganun din! Okay, Andrew and Fred's third shot. Taking Fred's... okay. This is Andrew's second shot. Sumobra lang si Fred. Wala, mabilis talaga. Mabilis talaga. We might have a chance, pero kailangan natin ma-make to. Okay, we need to make this for 3 points and for par. Pasok! Ay!
Paro.
Okay, we're in for 1 point and another bogey. So, Fred and Andrew, they have the spot to go 2 up na. And for another 2 points. Nakabig. That's good. Shoot ulit. Nice spot, brother. 2 up. 4. We are now 2 down. So, Olympics 4-1. Playing 180 plus yards. 88. Hitting a 6 iron. Ganda, Doy. Hole in one mo na. Kanan lang. Short? Little short si Doy.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Oh, baby.
All in one. All in one. All in one.
Sa Riviera. Ay, kaliwa. Delix. Nice shot. A little right lang sila, Drew. We might have an opening. Okay. Fred and Andrew landed short and a little right, taking Andrew's tee shot. Kami, we are putting for birdie, taking my tee shot. Medyo short si Fred. Olympian! Maganda. Clutch talaga! Okay, they need to make that for par. Kami putting for birdie. Ganda. Uy! Okay lang, make a ball.
Sakto sana, sir.
Okay. Fred and Andrew for par. Sayang. Kumanan. Okay. We have this chance. At least hindi nakabig. Sabi mo kasi kabig eh. Parang left inside. Or pwedeng hati-hati. Okay. One down. And 1 point. Ay, wala na palang. Okay, what a clutch pot by Doy. Buti na lang. First par of our round. So hole number 4, playing 324 yards. Dog leg left.
Par!
Oh, stinger oh.
Ganda nun, sir.
Ang ganda nun sa video. Nice shot. Stinger. Nice shot.
Pero hindi ko naman sadya yun.
Silip.
Bisit. Ganda pa rin. Okay lang. Hindi, okay lang. GUR naman yan. Preferred lie pa. Okay, good shot, brother. Right side lang sila, Andrew. Okay, Andrew. Okay, they took Andrew's tee shot. They left with 140 yards. Basa rin kasi. Iba na naman yung condition ng fairway. Clutch talaga. Kasi short, behind lang. Walang magsasabing hindi kami mususunod sa rules. Diba? Ayan, natin mo naman para umakit sa puno. Nakatina. Mga pauso ni Dodong. Okay, we're taking my tee shot. Same shot, kailangan itira above the trees. So 120 hitting a 56 degree wedge para umangat.
Wow.
Hit left.
Lip.
Ganda yan.
Lip mo. Yun!
Ang galing naman ng sa Cobra.
Ay, oo nga, greeny.
Green yun siya, balik eh. Yeah! Shot! Ganda niyan.
Short yata na po.
Abot yan, sakto yan. Tweet.
Ay, short, sir. Fringe. On green.
Napamalo rin talaga to. Okay, Fred and Drew. Medyo 3 trouble din. Na-short yung second shot nila. So this is to go up and down for their par. Malakas. Malakas ang punch ni Fred. Drew. Clutch talaga to. Clutch talaga! Okay, that's their par putt. Good out, brother. No, what a clutch putt. What a clutch putt by Mr. Raimundo. We have this birdie putt. Ganun kagaling si Mr. Raimundo. Ginamit yung puno bilang banda. Ang dahon.
Pero okay lang din yung 3-putt.
Kung ako lang magpapat, what? Pasok, kuha.
Birdie.
Okay, nice putt, brother. Okay, what up, birdie? Okay, nice birdie by Mr. Raimundo. Ahead to hole number 5, which is a par 3. Okay, front pin lang. Go! 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 Kick left. Oh, sabi ko na eh. Bunker lang. Ganda, Fred! Yan ang maganda.
Sit down. Nice.
Maganda, wow. Dikit na. Dikit si Jong. Ay, si Jong. Pumalakpak si Jong. Nice shot, brother.
Ayos, tigil.
Okay, I need to be clutch. I need to be clutch.
Ay!
Nice shot. Keep right. Prince.
Sayang, I landed short. We're still left with around 10 paces, 10 yards. Ganda ng tira ni Fred. They're almost in for birdie. So we need to hit this close or we make it. Pasok! Ay, malaki sa kaliwa.
Pasok.
Okay. Fred for his natural birdie. To go 1 up and another 2 points. Nati bird. Okay, good putt. Good read. 1 up. So 2 points. So 6 para 4 points lang. We need to make this lang for points. Nice putt.
Thank you.
Nice one, brother. 1 up ulit. Okay, nice spot, brother. Okay.
Alright! Alright!
What a shot!
Wow! May save yun.
Super clutch.
Nice shot, Doy. Shout out kay JR. Uy, guaranteed for right!
Alright!
Okay, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Very clutch. Buti na lang. Magaling. We're left with 140 yards. I might hit a pitching wedge. Andun yung tee shot ko sa kanan. Si Doy, si Dra, Andrew, and si Fred. Right of the trees. Ako, short. Go! Go! Tama na. Okay. Buti na lang. Nice shot, brother. Okay. Safe. Nice shot si Drew. Si Doy. Good shot, brother. Behind, ano? What a clutch. A win. Their play was si Fred. Played safe. Andyan siya. Right before the water. Tapos si Drew went for it. Unfortunately, ganda ng kuha. We went over. So battle of the short game na lang ulit kami. They're taking Fred's safety shot. Naku, open. Doy's approach pala. Hindi, okay lang yan. Babait yan. Tsura pa lang eh. Oh, Olympian. Over ng konti. Okay, we might have an opening again. Okay, we're taking Doy's shot. Ano to, brother? Kaliwa?
Kaliwa. May letter M.
Letter M. Go! Go! Mahina lang. Mahina.
Uy! Pasok pa!
Okay, so Fred and Drew, they need to make this two. No, shoot nga. 3 points pa! Half hole pa! So, alright, hole number 7. What a clutch spot by Direct Fred. Grabe naman yun. So we are currently 1 down pa rin. So,
Wow!
huwag kang kasabit.
Ay!
Sakto. Sakto dun sa
Binalik
last
pa.
na 3.
Go ahead, Fred. Kalapang ko sa...
High ball.
Wow!
Nice shot.
Ganda naman yan! Sa wakas! Oh,
Yun.
shot a shot.
Fairway.
Safe ka na, di ba?
Ay, sobrang kanan lang.
Sobra yun.
Hindi, baka may hindi, playable yun. Preferred line naman din eh.
A shot.
Good shot.
Solid.
We are taking my tee shot kaso may puno. Stymie. Huwag ka sasabit. Go. Go. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay, maganda. Clutch yung tira ni Fred. Okay, they're on the green. Or baka sumobra ng konti. Okay, I'm just punching out with an 8 iron. 120 yards. Okay, we're taking Doy's second shot. We're left with 44 yards. Left to right. Kahit mga tirang 30-35. Go! Ay, nag-fringe lang eh. Okay lang, okay lang. Sa fringe lang kasi tumama eh. Pero kung hindi, okay lang. Good try, brother. Hindi rin pala. Come on, baby. Go! Go! Okay, what a putt by Fred. They're in for par. So pag na-shoot ni Drew to, 2 points. And 2 down na kami. If not, we need to make this putt to avoid going 2 down.
Ako, lakas naman.
Okay, so we are currently 2 down. Tapos sa Olympics, 9-5 pa rin. We're changing the sequence. Subukan natin if it will be better. Ako naman mauuna. Brother, sorry ah.
No problem. Sanay na ako.
Okay, choking eh. Okay, hole number 8. Okay, hole number 8. is playing 148 yards.
Ooh, nice shot.
Ganda ng patama. The shot. Kick right. Over.
Ano naman yan?
Kaliwa? Huwag ka mag-bumper.
Yun.
Straight.
Wow.
Nice shot.
What a shot.
Sige, lakasan mo pa yung hangin.
Go, go, go.
Short
Para
yata.
short din ah.
Malakas nga yung
Ricky boy.
dapat.
Kailangan mo all square o kaya one down lang tayo pag turn natin sa Brock 9. Okay, this is 16 yards. We're taking my tee shot just left of the green. Sila Fred are also just outside. Galing, pasok pa. Grabe, another hole out na naman. Another 3 points. 12 na sila. Grabe naman yan. It's either sumpayo sa kanila o sumpayo sa atin. Talaga gumagaling sila pag tayo. Nice one, Fred.
Ilang up na sila?
3 kung sakali ito. Kung di natin ma-shoot. Okay. Dadang ano to, kaliwa?
Grabe!
12 na. Okay. Lakas. Okay. Grabe na naman to si Fred. Ay, nako. Delete. Joke lang. Nice shot, brother. 3 up.
Thanks.
Okay, may mercy mulligan na kami. Okay, hole number 9. We are now 3 down. We now have a mercy mulligan. Okay.
Ay, nag-draw lang. Bunker. Ay, labas. Gilid. Alright! Nice shot.
Shot. Jabo.
Galit na.
Grabe.
Wow. We have options. Okay, second shot. We're taking my drive. May tee shot pala. So ako mauna hitting my 3-wood.
Uy, nice shot. Napakaganda. Angas. The best. Oy, nag-slice.
Okay din.
Hindi nag-draw.
Hindi kasi. Okay, we're taking my second shot, 70 yards. Hitting my 60-degree wedge. Kaliwa.
Uy, nice shot. Alam mo, pas, lakas. 60 degrees. Sumobra.
Stop! Parang tirang mga ano lang, brother. 55 with the wind. Bye. Ganun din.
Lagpas.
Okay, ako magmuligan. Mas malayo ako eh, no? Muligan ako!
Yun, mas maganda yun sa'yo. Pangalawa mo, sir.
Hina naman. Ito na naman, they're outside. Pag ito na chip in na naman ni Fred, hindi ko na alam. Doy, ayan na naman! Doy, ayan na naman! Grabe! Ay, nako. Okay na yan, 1 point. Grabe!
Thanks.
Good one, good. Par.
Par.
Drew. Grabe naman yan. Ay, nako. Nice shot, Fred.
Thanks.
Clutch Fred. Okay, I'll putt first. Okay, we have this putt to win. Right to left.
Okay.
Yes.
Hoy! Ano ba yan?
Yun.
Alright, hole number 10. Nako, grabe. We are currently... Ako muna, Doy. We are currently 2 down. So, start of the back 9. It's 143 yards hitting a 9 iron against the wind.
Wow.
All in one, baby. Parang sobra na naman yun.
Ay,
Short pa ka. Mukhang may against dun sa ano.
Ang lakas ng hangin din.
against sa
May against dun sa dulo.
Sa harap, no? Eh, yun lang naman may intro eh.
Wow.
Draw pa. Draw. Go!
Sakto yan.
Go,
maganda
please.
Yan.
Ay! Just the lip.
Lagi na naman. Nice shot. Ay, draw.
4 for right.
Nabook ako.
Ay. Ganda.
Shot.
Yan ang patong. Ay, hinangin din. Hinangin din. Parehong-pareho nung akin. Parehong-pareho nung akin. Okay, nasa hole out territory na naman ang Cortez Brothers. This is if they make it 16, no?
16.
16 points sa Olympics if ever. So we are currently still 2 down. Kami we have this spot 18 paces. I will be going first. Ano bigay mo, Dodo?
Saka na lang ano lang.
Naku, hole out na naman nga.
Yun na nga.
Hole out na naman nga. Hole out na naman. Hole out na naman, Doy. Dodoy, meow, 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 meow. Hole out na naman.
Ewan ko kung ano nangyari.
Kakasabi ko lang ma-hole out na naman ang Cortez Brothers.
Isa lang naman.
Ayoko na. Ay, nako. Mahina.
Ano bigay mo dyan? Yung kanan ng paa.
Oh, what a hole out again by Fred. Nice one, brother. Grabe. Alright, hole number 11. We are now 3 down. May mulligan na naman kami. Another hole out by Fred. Ay, ganun din, kanan din.
Ganda. Crispy. What a shot. Bumalik na yung iron shots mo, Luigi. Uy, yun tuloy.
Start putt. We are, sige go. We are taking my tee shot. We're left with 128 yards to the flag. Aim a little left. Sila Fred right beside us lang. Swerte pa rin eh. Patong pa! Dikit pa! Ay nako, paano mo tatalunin? Dikit ang tira ni Fred. Yan, right beside the green, the pin. Wala na. Mukhang 4 down. Huwag naman. Nagiging. Fried.
Wow.
Okay, we are taking my second shot. Left to right. 6 paces for birdie. This is to force them to make their putt. Ang tingin mo, Dodong? Kalahating grip? Yan ang bigay mo? Hindi ba sobra yan? O sige, yan bibigay ko. Ikaw na adjust mo na lang.
Tama ka.
Mahina. Okay na, brother. Good putt. Good try. Okay, Fred and Andrew to go 4 up and another birdie and another point. Nakabig. Four down. Nice bird. Okay, 4 down. 1 point. 70. Alright, so hole number 12. We are now 4 down. One of the biggest deficits ko sa channel. Lagi naman ginagawa sa amin yan ng Cortez Brothers. 138 crosswind. Hitting a pitching wedge. Oh, shout out kay Joanne. Ayan, siya yung totoong magtuturo sa atin ng System 36. Okay.
Ay. Nako, laking
Swimming lang talaga nangyari.
swimming talaga.
Mo lang, 3 down lang. Felix. Takot naman sa tubig.
Oh, ang green tayo sir. Malayo nga lang.
Ikaw na magmuli, Doy. Ikaw na magmuli, patong ako eh. Patong naman ako eh. Sa bunker natin dito sa Navy, ano, kailangan pabagsakan mo kasi basang-basa ngayon. Hole out na naman oh!
Ay, bola.
Muntik na naman ma-hole out nila Fred. Ay, nako. Okay, unfortunately si Fred and Andrew had to take a drop. Pumunta sila sa tubig. So this is their third shot. Si Fred almost made it again. Grabe. Okay, si Andrew. Okay. We have 2 putts to win the hole.
Ano ba tayo, 4 down?
Oh, 4 down.
Ang ganda.
Sigurado na akong
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Sorry, hindi ko nakita. Okay, they made another point for Olympics. So 7. Alright, we were able to win 1 hole sa hole number 12. Uy, 4. Ganda pa rin. Good shot, brother. Uy!
Di lang nag-cut eh.
Ganda sa solid ng konti.
Parang pwede.
Kick mo.
Okay na yan, pwede yan. Okay. We have options. Okay, unfortunately, I pulled my tee shot, taking Doy's tee shot. We are around 200 plus pa to lay up lang. So I'm hitting a 5 iron. Slice. Thank you, Doy. Nice shot, brother. Okay na yan, before the bunker yan. Good shot, brother. Okay yan. Nice shot, brother. Drew and Fred. This is their second shot. Taking Andrew's tee shot. Ay, hindi going for it pala to. Si Fred naman kasi is safe. Okay. Taking Doy's second shot. Left to 123 yards against the wind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ganun din, no? Ako na lang ako magmuligan. Okay. Masyado naman kumakanan naman.
Kanan lang.
Ba't kanan bola ko?
Bunker. Okay. Bunker. Masubukan na lang yung bunker natin ngayon.
Oo nga. Andrew and Fred's third shot. Ganda. Sobra lang. Sakto lang pala. Pin high. Nice shot, brother. Ang dami naman ang hinahanap ni Ricky. Yan. Okay, we are left with 40 yards to go up and down for a par. Sila Drew and Fred are already chipping, putting for birdie. We need to hit this close. Go!
Bumait.
Okay, they have the spot for 2 points ulit and for birdie to go 4 up ulit. Okay, 4 up na pala kayo. That's good.
Dormi na.
Dormi na. Tama ba? Oo, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oo. Ah, hindi 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Pwede pa lumaki.
Ganyan din ginawa nila sa atin dati. Sa game 2 yata.
Pero hindi umabot ng ganito.
Dito, tapos na rin tayo dito. Ay, hindi, sa 15. Okay. This is just 4 points for Olympics.
Ay, salamat.
Okay, we need to win every hole to have a chance to win. If we all square in this hole, dormi na kami. Nako. Akin. Yan pala si Wena. Saan? Kaliwa? Come on, what are we made of? Kailangan namin habulin to. So hitting an 8 iron, hopefully makabalik lang kami sa fairway. Need to hit it over these trees. 3-shot hole.
Uy, sumabit. Ayan, pero wait tayo, sir.
Kaya naman sa ibabaw yan, pero...
Ay, tumama. Ay, bugsak.
We are taking my second shot. The pin is here. Playing 123 yards, hitting a 56-degree way.
Kaya, pan mo.
Patong.
Guys, four! Okay, Andrew and Doy's fourth shot. Ito na naman sila. Ay, sobra. Okay. Ang ganda. Okay, we might have an opening a little. Okay, taking my shot. Di pa pala ako patong. 16 yards. Ano to, right to left? Right to left. Bagal, brother.
Maganda yan. Nice. Take it.
Andrew and Fred, they have this par putt for 2 points, and if they make it, dormi na. If not, we will be 3 down. The Elder Cortez, wala. Match play namin, we are 3 down na lang. So we need to continue winning each hole to have a chance. So hole 15, 442 yards.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Ganda rin! Okay. Kanan lang. Andrew and Fred need to punch out. Pero I think si Drew going for it. Si Fred is already safe. Ayun siya. Andrew going for it. With his 5 wood. Uy! Oh, so kami, we're taking my tee shot. We're left with 195 yards to the flag. I'll try to go for it. May mulligan pa naman. Hitting 4 iron.
Nice. Draw mo. Bunker. Uy.
Save our mulligan. No? Sa third shot. Hindi naman natin kailangan. Okay, I drew pala.
Nice shot, good shot.
4! Grabe naman. Itong pumalakpak pa. Patay tayo, Doy. Nice shot, Fred. Clutch siya. Grabe. No chance. Kanan. Napakamalas naman. 16 yards, no room to green to work with. Bahala na. Kaliwa.
Ang ganda.
Bite.
Nice out, brother. Ganda.
Ikaw magmuli. Yun! Ay, sayang. Drew and Fred to win another 2 added for birdie para madodormi kami. That's good, that's good. Must hold. Dito yung iniisip ko. Dodong eh. Kulang? O dito ko
Oh, pwede. Oh, yan.
Dito? So dadagdagan mo konti doy dito ha.
Yes! Yes! Eagle!
Ayoko naman.
Tama yung bigay ko. Ito.
Good try.
Okay, we are dormied, but we still have a chance to tie the match. But we need to win every hole. So they're hole number 16, playing 105 yards, hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Pati yung bad shot.
Dapat yata kami may plus eh.
Uy! Uy! Grabe! Yun! A shot.
Okay, we're just taking my tee shot kasi for points. So right to left. Mabilis. Tama ba? Right to left ano? Oh. Against the grass, brother.
Mabit eh.
Okay. Drew and Fred, they have this putt. Wala na pala. To win the match na pala talaga to. To finish the match outright. For birdie. Sakto lang. O, bawal yun ha. Sabi mo mahina eh. Sobra. Okay. Good match, brother. Good match, good match. Good match. So, all in na lang. Hindi, wala na. Tapos na. 3 up kayo eh. 2 to go.
Nice game.
For Olympics na lang to. We lost. Clean sweep. 0-4 kami. So I guess this is a sign na hindi talaga kami pwede magkampi ni Doy sa scramble. 0-7 yata kami as a team or 0-8. So we're just playing for Olympics na lang dito sa round na to. So hole number 17 or hole in one dito. It's playing 180 yards. So I'll be hitting a 7 iron. Yun nga. Sige na, para hindi kami magbabayad. Ay, sayang. Nag-carry na sa green. Wala na. Face, sige pa. Hindi nag-turn.
Wow! Yun na!
Uy, draw mo! Bang!
Wow!
Big bounce. Roll.
Oh,
Okay, left to right, 23 yards. So itong pasuwi naman. May git isang grip lang? O sobra yun?
Kahit mga isang grip lang, sir.
Wala, ang bag.
Ang bilis talaga yan.
Malakas na.
Ay, malakas din.
Malakas yan, kaya wala.
Sorry. Chance for 2 points. Parang mahina eh. Mukhang mahina pero sakto lang.
biglang bumagal.
Okay, for 1 point. Yun.
Paro, yos!
Good, nice. Nice spot, brother. Kit.
Dalawa na strike.
Sobra ata. Shoot.
Laglag ka? Shoot? Pwede nyo pang piliin yan. Puro Olympics lang. Wala naman tayo pinaglalaro o stroke play, di ba? Pero wag nyo na kaming pirahan. Okay, 22 yards to the flag. Chance for 1 point. Kaliwa nga eh. 22 yards. Ganda. Hold out, baby.
Hold out pa.
Hindi pa nag-hold out para mabawasan na shot, brother. Sayang. Okay. We're in for 1 point. Thank you, brother. Okay, we're in for par and for a hold out. Sayang. 1 point. Huwag na i-shoot. Okay, this is for 2 points. So already, they won the match play. 250. Nakuha na naman. So natapos tayo 300 390. Talo tayo 390 each. 390 each. Good round, brother. Good round.
Kami nung kinita mo lately, wala yun.
Ha?
Dami
390.
kinita lately.
Sayang. Okay. Good round, brother. Grabe yung mga hold out eh. Doon kami niyari eh. Nice round, brother.
Thank you.
Nice shot.